How to make TikTok captions stay on screen for longer. First of all, go ahead and tap on this plus icon once you open the application itself to start posting your video. Now you can tap on this big white circle to start recording, or simply tap on this upload option from the bottom left corner and head to this videos option and select your specific video. Once you select it, tap on this next option, and within this editing panel, tap on this drop down menu on your right hand side, then tap on this caption. From here, if there are any speeches recognized, you should be able to find it over here. Now, once the caption is shown over here, tap on this OK option and you will find this captions over here within your video, which you can choose to move and place around on any part of this video that you want to. Now, all you have to do is simply long press on it and you will find this another option or you can long press on the caption itself to adjust the timing, or simply use this glider, as you can see, to elongate the amount of time that you want this specific caption to remain on the video itself. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.